found a little fishing spot. See what happens. If you fall in, that would not be good.
Oh, there is a bunch of fish right there. Today, family's out doing a little fishing.
My
Mama Jammas.
Okay. Does that hurt the worm?
yeah, get one. You guys just casted it. Okay, we got his casted out.
DJ, fish and fish.
Be good job looking. Practicing.
Just at the hook, buddy. You might. Just watch your bobber, see if it gets.
I wanted to cast it.
All right, we're trying a different spot because we weren't having luck over there. All right, we had to try a new spot. We weren't getting any bites. Nope, nothing.
We're going to the canoe.
Wait.
Ready? Cheese.
All right, look at mommy, look at mommy.
Good job, Mom.
Wait, look in the proper way, and then he caught one.
So weird.
Bray, who's the better teacher, me or Dad?
You.
Good job, Bray. So there's a hook in
Maybe
it.
You should stay right here. Oh, he's got spikes on him, buddy. You okay?
Yeah, I stabbed myself.
Bray, you caught your first
Yes.
fish.
I caught my fish.
Good job.
I did it.
Nice.
I stole it. I cast
Look.
it. Stole
How do you feel now that you caught your first fish? Look, baby. I see them. So far, Brayton's caught 2. TJ got his first fish today. Mommy, look at mommy. Oh, just caught another one. Getting the jackpot here. Now we're on the boat and let's see what happened. Yep, TJ caught 1 fish, Bray caught 3. All right, my phone's gonna die. Say bye, guys.
Bye.